One click costs $50, 2 clicks costs $75, and 3 clicks costs $140. In today's video, you'll learn about a new and free device that will allow you to make money with a click of a button. As you can see right here, this person made this amount of money from this free and new website. And you can also see this person right here made a massive amount of money by using this website. And there may simply be so many of them right here. And if you're wondering, do you need money for this? Well, no, all you have to do is click. Do you require your own website? Well, not anymore. Is it necessary for you to show your face? No, it's brilliantly simple, and I'll explain everything to you in detail. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so this is gonna be that free website that I want to share with you from which you can make money with only one click of a button. And you can repeat it for basically unlimited times. But before we go over to this platform and before I show you where you need to click, I need to explain to you what mockups are and what is a mockup design. So if you go over to Google and you search for what are mockups, that's gonna show you that a mockup may be a prototype if it provides at least part of the functionality of a system and enables testing of a design. So it basically features like a cup or any product with a logo printed on it. Now let me go to images so you can see exactly how that looks. So I'll type in mockup. Let me just search for mockup design examples, and this is basically the mockup on many different products. Now you might be wondering how that's gonna make you money per click. Well, you'll see exactly what we'll be doing today. So now that you know how mockup works and what mockup actually is, let's go to step number 1. Okay, for step number 1, I want you to come over to this website right on your screen. This is an absolutely free online tool which is gonna allow you to create different mockups with only one click of a button, and that one click of a button can turn into $50, $100, $150, $200, and so on and so forth. But you'll see exactly how only if you follow all of the steps in this video. If you skip this part or if you skip any part of the video, then you probably won't be able to set it up. So what you'll need to do first before you start making money is you'll need to sign up for free to this website, and they do have some pricing plans, but you don't have to use it. You can definitely start absolutely for free without investing any money up front. Okay, right now if you go over to the pricing plans right here, you'll be able to see that their free plan is $0, but you also have different plans which go up to $50 a month, but as I said, you won't have to pay for that right now. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to sign up for free, and once you sign up, click on Edit Mockup right here, because they have to make logos, create videos, build websites, design graphics, and so on. But I want you to click on Edit Mockup, and then that's gonna take you over to this page where you can edit the best mockups online with only one click of a button. You can add different logos to different places. You can have realistic looking mockups. So if you click on this one right here, for example, that's the first template that we can also use for free. You'll be able to see that with one click of a button, we can add different logos to different places. So let's say, for example, I wanna edit this mockup. I'll open it up. I'll upload an example logo, I'll wait until the logo uploads, and this is how it's gonna look like once it loads. Now I have my logo as a mockup right here, and I can do the same thing with all these different templates and all these different design mockups. On the right hand side, it only takes one click of a button and you can download it to your computer. So each time you do that, you can potentially make over $50 with only one click of a button. Now let me show you one more example. If you go back to Render Forest homepage, Render Forest, and this is over at the renderforest.com, we'll go once again to edit the mockup, and then we can select different mockups. Let's say, for example, you want to put something on a clothing. You want to put something on clothes right here. So we can select those designs as well. Let's say, for instance, I want to put my own logo on different shirts and cups. I'll need to click on that and open up the template and wait until it loads. Then I can add my own image right here. Wait until it loads, and that was only one click of a button. Then you just click add your image, you wait until it loads, and it's gonna look super nice. Now, you can download that and make money, but how do you actually make money by adding these different designs and by creating these mockups with only one click of a button? How would each of these mockups with only one click of a button make you $50 and $100 or $150? And how are these people from the beginning of this video, from the intro, making tens of thousands of dollars? Well, that's gonna be the next step, making money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying easy money online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 2,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might even be cooler than this. So comment easy money online down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or mobile phones. So let's get back to the video now. Well, there's gonna be a few different ways to make money from those mockups which are generated with only one click, and one of them is to go over to this freelancing website where people are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for each of those mockups. For example, this guy's willing to pay this amount of money for a mockup design. These guys are bidding for this amount of money, and it's probably gonna go up, and so on and so forth. There are like over 500 jobs created once you search on this website. There are over 500 jobs found once you search for mockup design, and this is over at freelancer.com. So you can come over to freelancer.com and sign up as a freelancer. So click on I wanna work, create an absolutely free account in probably like 2 to 5 minutes, and once you've signed up, just start searching for mockup design jobs, apply for those jobs, and then when people hire you, they'll pay you. And you just need to go back to Render Forest, enter their logo, then click once to download the image, and that's it. It's really simple, and it's only one click of a button, but it has the potential to make you some pretty decent amount of money. And you obviously need no previous experience for this, because you can sign up to this website freelancer.com in less than 5 minutes and create those mockups with one click of a button with renderforest.com. The next freelancing website which you can use to sell those mockup designs, which you once again generated with only one click of a button, is upwork.com. Upwork is pretty similar to freelancer.com, so you can come over here and you can see that lots of different people from all over the world are already making a lot of money with this website. As you can see, this person right over here has made this amount of money. And then you also have a person right here from this country that has made thousands of dollars from this website, and then this guy has also made a good amount of money as well, and so on and so forth. So we can definitely see that this works, and there's a lot of different freelancing websites here that we can provide this service to, and it only takes you one click of a button, so why not try it out? You can sign up to many different freelancing websites, including Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, peopleperhour.com, and a bunch of others. You can sell this design and you can sell it as a service on lots of different platforms, and the sign up process is super easy. You can repeat the steps on this video again and again, so you'll be able to earn the most amount of money online. To recap, head on over to the free website renderforest.com, then start creating your mockup design using their free templates, then go over to a freelancing website of your choice, create an account, then create a gig over there, and just wait for customers and clients to see your services. Once again, if you have a gig, just go back to renderforest.com and create your design over there, and then you can start earning from those designs which you have just made in one click of a button. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, Just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.